Hello guys. Today we have special guest.
Yeah.
My mom.
Yeah.
Her name is Yelena. Helen, yeah, in English. Yeah. So we go in Casaroro Falls.
Yeah.
It's in Valencia, in a mountain. So yeah, pretty beautiful place. A
Yeah.
lot of flowers in the middle of jungles. So let's see how it will be. So to get here you need to take a guide. It costs 250 pesos, about $5, and go down 300 steps, even 350. So be ready that you can do it. So it's better to take comfortable shoes,
And so lady slipper.
but views really amazing because near mountain and you go down, it's just road inside of jungles. Yeah, cool. We finally got down.
Yeah.
For me, it wasn't hard. How about you?
No, it's not so hard.
But for you?
Yeah.
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 So it depends of your physical training. I don't know. So, and we just saw a small, tiny baby snake
Yeah.
here.
And he's sleeping.
Yeah,
It's
sleeping.
orange.
Yeah, nice. I will
It's
show
so
you.
cute. I want to touch it, but I'm afraid because
Yeah.
maybe it's so.
Better not to touch. Maybe poison, maybe aggressive. Who knows?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Here is bamboo trees. Nice, yeah?
Yes.
We are finally here.
Yeah.
Casaroro waterfalls.
Yeah, it's so good.
So we just came climb up, yeah, 300 steps down,
Yeah.
and up it's totally different. When you go
More like
down,
600 steps.
maybe even more. When you go down, it's hard for your joints. When you go up, it's hard for your muscles. How was it?
It was a real adventure.
Yeah, true. But so nice views.
Yeah, very
So
nice.
definitely worth it. Not far from Dumaguete, I don't know, 30 minutes, about 10 minutes from Valencia or maybe less.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good time for spend. I don't good place for spend. I don't know, hour or two.
Yeah, you cannot stay under the falls because Kuya said the rock will gonna fall sometimes, so it's dangerous.
So it's even dangerous adventure.
Yeah, you can stay from afar if you
Yeah.
want, but not under the cliff.
Thank you guys for watching. Thank you
thank
for
you, guys.
supporting us, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.